Okay, question 4. We have a function here and we want the domain and range. So I don't know if you can tell, but this is an exponential function, which means it flattens out on a certain value. And it gets really, really, really close to that value, but it never actually touches it. So to find that value, we're going to go to where the line is, right here, at 4. But first we want domain. So let's do that. I was skipping to range. So domain is our most left x value, comma, most right x value. Then we'll get to range. I was skipping ahead just on the function, which is the bottom y value, which we just saw is 4. And then we're going to comma, and then do our top y value. So if I think how high, I'm going to stick with range. We're doing it. So our bottom is 4 all the way up to the top. When are we going to stop on the y-axis? Never. It's going to go to infinity. So the difference here is it's always parenthesis on infinity, but 4 is a value we're never going to actually reach. It's not included, so we put a parenthesis around it. Okay, let's look at domain. How far left on the x-axis is this going to go? Forever and ever and ever to negative infinity, because we're in the negative numbers. And then it's going to go up forever. And an exponential function slowly grows out. Even though it looks like it kind of goes in a straight line, it's not. This is the straight line on the bottom. So this is going to go out to infinity as well. So let's type that in. Our domain is negative infinity, positive infinity, and our range is 4 to infinity. Saying what is the range of the inverse? So remember, the range and domain switch. So this is the same as the domain. Just like our x and y switch, our domain and range also switch.